How's it going everyone? Welcome back to the Static Studio, and today I'll show you how you can set up and use the spatial audio feature on your iPhone. This will actually help you to take your listening experience to the next level. It's super useful, so let's get started. What's not enable the spatial audio on your iPhone? Open up the settings application from your iPhone and then scroll down and tap on sounds and haptics. And here, just need to scroll down to the bottom and tap on personalize the spatial audio here and tap on personalize the spatial audio. And you'll get to see you can actually use your iPhone camera to personalize your spatial audio for the shape of your ears. So you're just gonna tap on continue here, and you just need to tap on start capture, and all you have is just need to take your face here, and you just need to move your head to the left and right. So I'm gonna move my head to the left here, and it's gonna actually scan my ear, and it's gonna take the shape of my ear, and I just need to do the same thing for the right side as well. And it's gonna scan the right side ear, and it's gonna take the shape, and the personalized spatial audio will be set up on your iPhone. And this is how we actually can set up and use the spatial audio feature on your iPhone. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.